If you want to add some flair to your ride, incorporating a few cool accessories can significantly refresh and personalize your car. We've put together a list of gadgets under $30 to make your drives more enjoyable. Some of these are useful for any vehicle, while others are intended to bring modern features to older models. In this video, we'll show you 20 car gadgets on Amazon. Let's get started. Tired of clutter in your car? Introducing the JEYODA car seat side storage pocket, your perfect solution for a cleaner, more organized ride. Crafted from high-quality leather, it's durable, scratch-resistant, waterproof, and completely odor-free, built to last while adding a touch of elegance to your car's interior. Despite its compact size, this organizer delivers ample storage space, perfect for your phone, keys, wallet, cards, and other essentials, keeping everything within easy reach. Installation? It's a breeze. With the included Velcro, simply stick and secure the pocket in your desired spot. No tools required. In a life-or-death emergency, every second counts. Meet the Keyport Escape Toolkit, a compact, powerful, and life-saving 5-in-1 car multi-tool designed to help you escape when it matters most. Equipped with a razor-sharp seatbelt cutter and a tungsten carbide glass breaker, it can cut through seatbelts and shatter car windows with just one punch. It also features a pry bar, 2 flathead screwdrivers, and a pocket clip, all packed into a sleek 3.3-inch frame that weighs just 0.9 ounces. Small enough to attach to your keychain or car visor, this premium tool is always within easy reach, whether you're facing a rollover, car fire, flood, or electrical failure. Tired of losing or damaging your sunglasses while driving? Meet the Yuoyar sunglass holder, your perfect car companion for keeping your glasses safe and within reach. Designed for wide compatibility, it fits any car model and securely holds all types of glasses, from sunglasses to prescription lenses. With its one-handed operation, you can easily grab or store your glasses while keeping your focus on the road. The compact and stylish design blends seamlessly with your car interior, adding a touch of modern elegance. Featuring a unique 360-degree rotatable handle, this premium sunshade allows precise positioning without scratching your car's interior or blocking control panels. Available in 3 versatile sizes, it fits 99% of vehicles from compact cars to large SUVs, with flexible corner springs that enhance protection while adapting to various windshield shapes. The advanced titanium silver coating combines high-density base fabric with polyester fiber reflective technology in a solid one-piece design that blocks 100% of harmful sunlight. This superior protection prevents dashboard fading and interior deterioration while keeping your car cooler. Protect your car's cup holders with Amooca Car Cup Coasters. Their deep cup shape and non-slip base effectively catch and hold spills, condensation, and crumbs, keeping your car clean and tidy. These coasters also prevent cans and bottles from scratching or damaging your cup holders. Made from high-quality, high-temperature resistant silicone, they're durable and can even be used at home or in the office for hot drinks. The universal deep cup design, measuring 2.8 inches at the base and 3.15 inches at the top, fits most cars, SUVs, trucks, vans, and boats, reliably containing messes. Cleaning is effortless, simply wash them under water. A unique finger slot allows for easy placement and removal. Designed to shield your seats from wear, tear, spills, and messes, especially from kids, this protector reduces cleanup time and extends the life of your vehicle's interior. It's crafted from durable 600D Oxford fabric with reinforced non-slip corners and comfortable foam padding. The textured surface prevents slipping, making it great for long trips or after sports. Plus, it's easy to clean. Simply wipe away stains with a damp cloth. Stay organized with 2 convenient mesh storage pockets located under your child's feet, perfect for quick access to toys, snacks, and drinks. Experience personalized fragrance on the go with the SEEDSEEL Car Aromatherapy Diffuser. Its portable and compact design makes it easy to use in your car, home, or office. This ultrasonic diffuser supports various water-soluble essential oils, allowing you to enjoy your favorite scents and the health benefits of aromatherapy. Enhance the mood with 7 different LED light color options, creating a comfortable and relaxing atmosphere. It also functions as a small humidifier, adding moisture to dry environments. Add a touch of freshness and style to your car with Frienda Daisy Flower Air Vent Clips. You'll receive 6 colorful, flower-shaped clips, allowing you to use and change them to keep your car looking and smelling great, earning you compliments. Operation is simple. Just insert your favorite fragrance piece into the clip's center storage space, then attach it to your car's air vent or any suitable position. Made from durable, rust-resistant alloy, these clips are strong, shock-resistant, and feature a protective layer for lasting shine. Versatile enough for most cars, you can also clip them onto air conditioning vents in your living room or bedroom. This 3-in-1 container serves as a rubbish holder, storage organizer, and even a portable cooler bag, all with a generous 2-gallon capacity. Convenient mesh pockets provide extra storage for tissues, wipes, and other essentials you want within reach. Unlike others, this trash can features extra PVC plates on the front and back, ensuring it maintains its shape effectively without difficult installation. The upgraded, seamless PIVA lining is completely leak-proof, making it perfect for both dry and wet trash, like spills or even a wet umbrella. Plus, it's easy to clean. Its foldable design saves space when not in use. Secure your trash bags easily with the 2 side hooks, which are more effective than magnetic buckles. Made from durable, waterproof, and easy-to-clean 600D material, this organizer is built to last and resist dirt and wear. With a generous 50-liter capacity, measuring approximately 22 by 12.5 by 10.75 inches, it meets your daily storage needs. Its concise design features integrated cutting and sewing for a durable, 3-dimensional appearance that's wear-resistant in actual use. Perfectly suited for cars, SUVs, and trucks, it helps manage vehicle clutter in various life scenarios. But it's more than just a car accessory. This multifunctional assistant also serves as a great storage box for household items like books and clothes, or even for organizing office supplies. Keep your car organized and clutter-free with the functional and practical sentoto car seat hook. Easily hang shopping bags, clothes, handbags, and wallets to prevent items from scattering, overturning, or rolling around on the floor or seat. Made from high-quality, durable alloy, these hooks resist bending and wear, holding up to 40 pounds. A silicone ring inside ensures a stable, non-slip, and silent fit on the headrest rod. The beautiful design features smooth, chamfered edges and rotates 360 degrees for use in the front or back seat. When not needed, simply rotate it back to hide it away conveniently. Make eating or working in your car comfortable and convenient with the Macally cup holder tray. Stop juggling food on your lap. This tray provides the perfect companion for enjoying meals when safely parked. It features universal compatibility, securely mounting onto most vehicle cup holders between 3 and 4.1 inches wide, using rubber points to prevent scratches. Enjoy unlimited adjustability thanks to its 360-degree swivel and jointed arm, allowing you to find the perfect position or easily share the tray with a passenger. This multifunctional space saver offers a 9-inch surface for meals or items, plus a padded smartphone stand, great for watching shows while you eat. Its classic and compact design saves space and adds a neat, tidy look to your vehicle. The secure clip attaches tightly to your sun visor, seat back, or door pocket, preventing the holder from dropping and making tissues easy to find while driving. Crafted with genuine leather outside and soft flannelette inside, this holder features faultless sewing for a quality look that enhances your car's interior. It's odorless, easy to clean, and designed for repeated use. Simply open and refill with new tissues. Suitable for most cars, trucks, and boats, and fitting most standard paper towel sizes, each holder even comes with a complimentary pack of quality tissues. Made from durable PU leather and ABS plastic, this organizer fits snugly into seat gaps up to 0.6 inches or up to 1 inch using the included foam pad, making it compatible with most vehicles. It acts as a perfect car seat gap organizer, keeping your essentials within reach and preventing small items like phones, keys, and coins from falling into the cracks. This gap filler includes a convenient cup holder, built-in dividers to securely hold your phone and other items, and even a dedicated vent for easy mobile charging. The 2-pack set also comes with a pair of sturdy headrest hooks that can hold up to 30 pounds, perfect for hanging bags and groceries. This versatile organizer features numerous horizontal elastic slots, plus 2 included elastic ties, allowing you to create custom vertical loops for ultimate flexibility. Loop and pile zones offer space for patches and PALS compatibility. It includes a convenient micro ID carrier pocket with space for cards and coins, which attaches securely. Adjustable hook and loop webbing straps ensure a secure fit on most car, truck, and SUV visors, preventing sagging even when loaded. Made from thick, double-layered 1000D nylon, this organizer is built tough and sturdy. Experience fast and convenient charging on the go with the COCIVIVRE retractable car charger. Its standout feature is the flexible retractable cable, extending up to 2.6 feet and automatically retracting for neat, tangle-free storage. This smart charger also monitors voltage and includes protections against overcharging, overcurrent, and overheating, ensuring safe and efficient power delivery. Designed for various vehicles, it fits standard 12 to 24-volt cigarette lighter sockets, providing a secure connection even on bumpy roads. Be prepared for emergencies with the lightweight and portable SINSEN car safety hammer. Designed as a convenient keychain, it's easy to carry and access when you need it most. This essential car escape tool features a premium tungsten steel window breaker and a sharp stainless steel seatbelt cutter for a quick escape during an accident. Unlike traditional hammers, its spring-loaded mechanism works effectively even underwater, breaking side windows up to 10 mm thick in just 1 second with a simple push. The seatbelt cutter is easily accessed by pulling the ring pull horizontally, allowing you to cut through a seatbelt quickly and effortlessly. Introducing the universal CAW.CAR magnetic car phone mount. It works with any phone size and installs easily in any car. The set includes 3 metal discs, allowing you to use the mount with up to 3 different devices. Experience effortless one-hand, 1-second mounting. Just bring your phone close, and the powerful magnet locks it securely. Enjoy complete viewing freedom with 360-degree rotation. This stylish, all-metal mount looks great and performs even better. The thin metal disc attaches to your phone or hides discreetly under its case. Easily clean your car's windshield inside and out with the AstroAI windshield cleaner. This convenient kit includes a detachable handle for easy storage, 4 washable microfiber towels, and a handy spray bottle. Its extra-long extension handle and pivoting head allow you to effortlessly reach difficult areas without straining your back. The secure twist lock keeps the handle firmly extended during use. Beyond your car, this versatile tool works great for removing fog and moisture and cleaning windows, screens, mirrors, and even floors in your home. Suitable for all vehicle sizes including cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs. The washable microfiber pads ensure a streak-free, lint-free clean every time. Finally, a place for your larger bottles in the car. Introducing the Swigzy Car Cup Holder Expander. Its expanding base adjusts from 2.6 to 3.8 inches in diameter, fitting securely in most cars, trucks, boats, RVs, golf carts, and more. Proprietary retaining tabs make inserting and removing bottles effortless, holding drinks from 2.8 to 3.85 inches wide without the adapter pulling out. The smart offsetting base design prevents blocking adjacent cup holders, even allowing 2 expanders to be used side by side. Built with premium, durable materials, this expander is designed to handle rugged driving conditions.